Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your Equifax credit report. We will also put a link in the description below for TransUnion credit monitoring service in case if you're interested. To start, open the website equifax.com. Then click on Login. On the drop-down list, you will see a section for My Equifax. Under it is a Login button. Click on the Login button. Now, sign in with your email address and password. On the left side menu, you will see an option for Equifax Credit Report. Click on Equifax Credit Report. On the submenu is an option for Summary. Click on Summary. And now you will be able to view your credit report. That's how you view your Equifax credit report. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.